Good, happy Sunday, everyone. I'm Riley King, and welcome to my news report right here on the Riley King Network. Let's get started. First up, exit 25 on I-93, Route 175A closed for flooding due to ice jam. Emergency officials are on scene in Holderness on Route 175A after an ice jam on the Pemigewasset River has caused flooding. Plymouth police posted on Facebook that they recommend evacuations from North and South River streets in Holderness and on Old North Main Street in Plymouth. Police said the HUB on the Plymouth State University has a shelter in place for those who need it. Route 175A and Exit 25 on I-93 are closed. And that does it for my news report right here on the Riley King Network. And here's a parking lot in Plymouth from the flooding. Take a look at this photo. And the whole parking lot is flooded. I hope you all have a great rest of your Sunday, everyone. Goodbye.